The text on web pages can be organized in different sections, with headings. Headings also help search engines like Google know what your page is about to show it to the right people. Headings help you organize content, users read and digest content, and Google bring more traffic. You can use up to 6 levels of headings in HTML, and the tags for these heading elements are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, Y, 4, 5, 5, and 6S. Complete the line to code a level 1 heading. Headings are another element that requires both opening and closing container tags. Complete the HTML code for the heading. You can add different headings to your page to organize the content. Run the code to see what the web browser will display. You can combine headings with other elements. Run the code to see what the web browser will display. Complete the HTML code. H1 is the most important heading. You should only have one level 1 heading per page. Heading levels need to be used in the correct order. Drag and drop to rearrange the code. After your H1, you can use as many H2S as you need. After each H2, you can include H3S, and so on. Many HTML elements require both opening and closing tags surrounding the content. These tags are also called container tags. Container tags surround the content for the element. Some HTML elements can be defined with only one tag. They are called empty tags. The image tag imd is a good example of an empty tag. You'll learn about images in the next lesson. Select the 3 HTML elements that require container tags. Lesson takeaways. Well done! You learned that There are many advantages of using headings in your pages. You can use up to 6 levels of headings. Headings require container tags. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to add images and start building your own HTML project.